Good morning, Nantucket. It ain't a beautiful day, but it's a day. We've had gusts, 70 plus, power failures, which is to be expected, and this is a heavy, wet snow. If you do anything today, it's to stay home. I have a couple of projects that I have to check up on. Not a big deal, but it's gross out there, folks. Stay home. Stay home. Roads are clear, but they're slippery as hell. The snow is heavy if you have to shovel. Take your time, don't hurt yourself. This is heart attack snow. Don't do this unless you absolutely have to. Stay out of trouble, folks. Keep your heaters on, keep your battery banks charged. Do everything you can to stay indoors today.